Today we're going to look at one of the Windows' best classic free arcade games that was dropped many years ago because, quite frankly, Microsoft just couldn't be bothered to port it over to a new 64-bit system. But thankfully, some bright spark has done what a multi-billion-dollar company couldn't, and now I'm going to show you how you can download and install it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so first of all, just open your browser. Can be absolutely any browser. Go up to the address bar at the top of the screen, not the search the web bar in the middle, but the address bar right at the top. Delete out anything that might be in there and type in there cwtek.co.uk/WD. Pause this video if you need to write this down. Then press enter or return on your keyboard. Choose your consent wisely. And by the way, whilst you're in here, if you need a VPN to stream and protect your privacy, then this one here is a good one. All you need to do is click there. You get set up to 75% off and 3 months free. And if you are looking at anything to do with networking or streaming, have a look at the streaming store there. So going back to the video, okay, so click on Windows Downloads and then scroll down to Windows Classic Games, and there you go. You got 3D Space Cadet Pinball from XP, so click on that and this brings you to an article. Again, you've got to choose your privacy options, choose them carefully. So scroll down and you're looking for step 1 here where it says first download the 3D Pinball Space Cadet executable file. Click on that and it will then download. Now, what I would always say is before you install it, make sure you check this with your virus checker, which I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to close down the browser, go into any yellow folder and then go into downloads, and you should see 3D Pinball for Windows Space Cadet. And then what you want to do is right click on it so you get this menu up. If you're running Windows 11, then click on Show More Options and click on Scan with Microsoft Defender, or if you've got a different antivirus, then scan with that. I'm just going to scan it right now and see what happens. And there you go. 1 file scanned, no threats found. If you haven't got an antivirus, or you're thinking you don't trust your antivirus, then go back into your browser and go up to the address bar at the top of the screen, delete out anything that's in it and type in there VirusTotal.com. Again, pause this video if you need to write this down, then press enter or return on your keyboard. And then once it's opened, this website, click on choose file and then click on downloads and double click 3D Pinball for Windows Space Cadet. And that will go through and it will check with various antivirus companies there. And as you can see, all of them show undetected, and there's a few there that said that they can't process the file, but that doesn't matter. The majority is showing that it's undetected. So yeah, you're pretty much clean. Up there it actually says 0 out of 70 antiviruses have detected any kind of malicious software in this package. So close down your web browser and then double click on 3D Pinball for Windows Space Cadet. Click on install if you're happy of where it's installing it. Click on yes if this comes up, and there we go. It's shown there on the desktop. If you ever lose it off the desktop, then just click on the start button and just type on your keyboard pinball and it will appear. Click on it to open it up. If you want to know what keys to use, then you can go into player controls there under options, and there you go, that tells you the keys. And you can also change those keys in there as well. And also, if you don't want the sounds on, you can turn the sounds off. If you want the music on, you can have the music on. There we go, fabulous music. So there we go. It's just a shame Microsoft didn't port it over to 64-bit versions of Windows, but thankfully somebody else has, and it's fully playable. And I played it earlier. Still absolutely great fun, this is. Enjoy. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge, but you will find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. And if you know of anyone, a friend, a relative, or a work colleague that might like this video, then please don't forget to share this on all your social media timelines. Thanks very much for watching, and speak to you again soon.